Kings. Welcome back to my YouTube page, Pampered by Lish. My name is Alicia. So today we are going to be making an oatmeal facial scrub with just 4 easy ingredients. Yes, 4 easy ingredients. Our first ingredient we are going to use is oat flour. Okay. And then we are going to use glycerin. And of course, purified drinking water. And just lavender essential oil. Okay, so I will explain the benefits for all 4 of these great, lovely ingredients. So let's get into the video. Okay, so right here, I already have this 1/4 cup of oat flour. So, oatmeal is more than just a breakfast. So the oat flour is whole oatmeal that you eat, grinded up into fine flour that will be gently used on your face. Okay, just looks just like flour. Very fine, grinded up. So with this, it's a gentle exfoliant and it nourishes your skin. It's great to cleanse your skin. It's anti-inflammatory properties. It helps with soothing skin, providing lasting moisture, gets rid of buildup and renews skin. It's great for sensitive skin and eczema. So once again, this right here is oat flour. It's regular oatmeal that you eat, grinded up into fine powder to make it easier, to use on your face. Okay, next we are going to add our 1 teaspoon of glycerin. All right. So with the glycerin, it is a humectant. It retains moisture. It increases the hydration along with the water. And it relieves dryness. It refreshes your skin surface. And it is an emollient, which means it softens your skin, okay? All right, so with the water, we are going to do 2 tablespoons of water. 2 tablespoons. And water, once again, it hydrates your skin. Great for hydration. And so with the lavender essential oil, is my definitely go-to. So lavender essential oil is great for calming the skin. So I also wanted to add that into my little conjunction. So we are going to add just 2 drops. 1, 2. All right, so we're going to mix that around. Mix it just like you would pancake mix. Make sure everything is fully incorporated. This is kind of a watery consistency. So if you would like a thicker consistency, just add more oat flour. After you make sure that it's fully incorporated. Okay. So this is the consistency I like. Well, all right, let's go try this baby out. Be right back. Hello, beautiful people. Okay, so we have freshly washed hands. I always wash my hands before I touch my face. All right. So I just want to damp my face a little bit. So I just want to damp my face a little bit. So I take the exfoliant. I'm going to get a little bit more than that. Scoop out the container you're using. See, you can feel it's it's a creamy consistency. It's not abrasive, so just feel like little beads. That's what you want. You don't want something like sugar that's going to be a little bit too abrasive to the skin. Your skin on your face is very delicate. Also get your neck a little bit, because your neck is a part of your face. I believe so. So rub around in circular motion. I like to focus on my main points, which is right here, the indents of your nose, a little under, and my chin, because that's where I get the most like driest dead skin. Because I have a lung disease, so my skin does flare up. That's why I use everything that is for gentle skin, gentle sensitive skin, because I flare up from time to time due to my lung disease once again. So everything that all the products that I make in my store is for sensitive skin, because I use all my products that I make. So everything that I sell, I use it myself. Okay. So we're going to rinse this baby off. So make sure you come back for my next video, which will be a morning routine of how I do my face, where I use the Oatmeal face exfoliant. I use my Black African soap facial cleanser. And I use my body butter, which has mango butter, which I love mango butter, and I love coconut oil. That's what I use on my face. So make sure you tune back in. So next we're going to take paper towels and dry. I use paper towels because it's less likely to get bacteria back on your face using it. Thanks for chilling with me, guys. So once again, make sure you come back for the next video, which will be my morning routine with all the products that I use. Have a great day.